Whether you're completely new to learning Italian or you're an experienced learner, perfecting the alphabet is the first and most essential step to your success speaking the language. We are going to go through together right now every single letter of the Italian alphabet with everyday words. And what I really want you to do here, and I do this with most of my lessons, is I want you to repeat the words right after me aloud. Your Italian journey starts with this one lesson right here, right now. So let's go. Real quick, if you're a beginner and you want to learn Italian the easy way so you can reconnect with your roots and converse with family and friends, maybe they're over in Italy, maybe they're just Italian, regardless, then this is definitely a community that you want to be a part of, so hit subscribe. And if you want extra help with pronunciation of specific words, then definitely click the link in the description below and you'll get my exclusive Italian pronunciation guide with 40+ words completely free. If you're totally new here, ciao, mi chiamo Maria. And for over 6 years, I've been helping people with Italian heritage, just like me, become conversational in the language so they can chat with family, make new friends, and remember their roots. And now, onto the alphabet. Be sure to repeat after me aloud so you can get a feel for the perfect pronunciation as well. Ready? Let's go. Of our alphabet, of course, starts with A. A come amico. The second letter is B. B come bambino. Bambino. The third letter is Ci. It's not C, it's Ci. Ci come caffè. Caffè. Next is D. D come donna. Donna. E come elefante. Notice this isn't said E, this is E. Elefante. E F come fiore. Fiore. G gatto. G come gatto. Gatto. H, this one's H, and it's not very common in the Italian language, but it is in the alphabet. H come io ho, I, ano, or hotel. So for this one, we don't really pronounce the H as like a ha. We just pretend like it's silent most of the time. So we're going to, again, say o, I, a, ano, or hotel. The next one is I, which is not said as I, it's said as E. And I know what you're thinking. E is pronounced E, and I in Italiano is pronounced I. So we have Italiano, Inglese, or another example, we have isola. L come libro, again, libro. M come mare, M, mare. N come natura o nave, nave. O come ospedale, ospedale. P come pizza, of course, pizza. Q, this isn't Q, it's Q come quaderno, quaderno. R come rosa, rosa. Did you learn a new word here by chance? Let me know in the comments. S come sole, sole. T come tavolo, tavolo. U come uva, uva. So it's not U, it's U. V come verde, verde. E Z, it's not Z, it's Z, come zero, zero. As you might have noticed, there are some letters that are actually missing from the Italian alphabet that we have in English. If you caught these, comment them below. I'll get into them in just a second. So the missing letters from the Italian alphabet, and again, like missing because they don't exist in Italian. First we have K, come kilo, K, kilo. The next is J, which is ilunga. So technically it means long I. Ilunga. Come jeans. It's pronounced the same way, so we just take an English word and make it Italian. So we have jeans. The next is W, or W, which literally means double V. W. Come web. Again, we pronounce it the same way because it's an English word. So come web. This next one is my favorite, and it's because it is said eeks, which is X. It's just more fun to say eeks. And I always remind my students, it's like you just saw a spider and you're like, eek. So eeks, come xylofono, which is just the Italian word for xylophone. Xylofono, eeks. And then for Y, we actually have two ways of saying this letter. You could say Y, like Greek I, Y, or you could say Y, Y. So again, there's no difference between the two. You could just pick to either say Y or Y. And that one is said come yogurt. It's said like English, but with an Italian accent, yogurt. So, hey Maria, why are we learning these if they're not used in the Italian alphabet? Well, you still might have to say or spell your English name in Italian or to an Italian person. And so we have created names for these letters so you can still spell your name to someone in Italian, and it works out. If you enjoyed this video and you do want to find out how you could go a bit deeper and learn Italian with me, then please go to the description and register for my free beginner's lesson. It is truly value-packed and it'll be the best 60 minutes you ever spend learning Italian. And you could get some more insight and info on how you can work with me inside our Italian Toolkit program. If you enjoyed diving into the Italian alphabet with me today, then please give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Arrivederci!